Welcome back. This is the second part of the tutorial. We start by painting the unexposed or untouched part of the glass. When mixing the paint for this area, ensure they are 1. A lighter shade. Secondly, each color should be less chromatic, meaning they shouldn't be rich in color. They should lean towards the gray side. Lastly, it should be blurry because this area has tiny droplets. To make the portrait pop, I add contrast by painting black only in the darkest areas. Once the background is dry, paint the dripping water by using the shade we used for the exposed area of the background. Fill in the droplets using the same shade. For the negative spaces on the portrait, use the respective color for each droplet. fog form on windows on what appear to be layers. We create that illusion by painting a lighter shade in a few areas of the foggy part. Add highlights to the dripping water and droplets to bring them to life. If you observe droplets, you'll notice that they invert everything around. For example, if the shadows are on the right side, on the droplet, they'll be on the left side. That is why we are painting highlights at the bottom of each droplet, because light is falling from above. The only thing that is remaining is making a few tweaks and adjustments. This is the finished painting. I'm quite pleased with it. I hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video.